Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
We will learn how to fix Riot Client not opening or launching problem. So if your Riot Client is not opening or launching, firstly make sure that all of your Riot Client instances from your background are turned off. In order to do that, we'll right click on the taskbar, click on Task Manager, maximize it. From here we'll just terminate every Riot Client process. So right click on the Riot Client process, then click on End Task. Now search in the background, and the Riot Client is also shut down from here as well. Now in order to fix this issue, firstly we will go to the search panel. From here we'll type Riot Client, then click on Open File Location, then right click on the shortcut of Riot Client and go to Open File Location again. Now we'll go to the Riot Clients folder and need to right click on the Riot Client services, click on Properties, go to Compatibility, select Run this program in compatibility mode. You can select Windows 7 or 8 from here, which works fine. Then you need to select Run this program as an administrator, then go to Change Hide API Settings, override Hide API Scaling Behavior, click on Apply and OK. After doing this, you need to go to the search panel yet again. From here type Control Panel, then click on Open. From here then go to System Security, go to Windows Defender Firewall, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here click on Change Settings, scroll down until you find Riot Client. Here is Riot Client. Make sure that both public and private are allowed, then click on OK. After that is done, we'll head to the search panel yet again to go to the command prompt. Click on Open. From here we'll type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Now our DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. And now if we open a Riot Client, it will open up successfully.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.